Let's learn blue collar boots. It's choreographed by Micheal Faith. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with a restart on wall 5 after 8 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart, and then go through and dance 6 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn blue collar boots. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to take your right heel, you're going to place it forward, step your right next to your left. Place your left heel forward and step your left next to your right. We're now going to do 2 walks forward, step forward right, step forward left, and we're going to stomp our right foot next to our left twice, stomping right, and the weight is going to stay on your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, doing your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do side touches. We're going to step our right foot to the right side and touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot to the left side, touch your right next to your left. We're now going to do a grapevine to the right, stepping right foot to the side, cross your left behind your right foot to the side, and touch your left next to your right. So let's try that with some counts, doing your side touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do side touches, stepping your left foot to the left side, touch your right next to your left, step your right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right. We're now going to do a grapevine quarter turn with a scuff. So you're going to step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and then scuff your right heel. And when you do this scuff, you want it to slightly go to the left so that you allow your body to start that turn to the left for section 4. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, doing your side touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock and scuff your left heel. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 3 o'clock and scuff your right heel. We're now going to stomp forward with our right foot and hold, stomp forward with your left and hold, and that is the end of the dance. When you do these stomps and holds, you want them to feel like you are doing like slow stomping walks forward instead of having those full holds. The music is pretty quick, so those stomps are going to be stomp, hold, not really a huge space in between your 2 steps. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, we just scuffed our right. You're making that turn over your left shoulder for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weights on your left, you're doing your heels. Right heel step, left heel step, walk, walk, stomp, stomp, side touch, grapevine to the right. Side touch, grapevine quarter turn, scuff, quarter scuff, stomp, hold. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left, doing your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restart. The restart's going to happen facing 12 o'clock on wall 5. It will be the second time you're doing the front wall. You're going to dance the first 8 counts, which is up to your 2 stomps with your right, and then you're going to start the dance over again, and that will become wall 6. So let's try that first 8 counts so that you know where that restart is happening. Right heel is going to go forward. It's right heel step, left heel step, walk, walk, stomp, stomp. Right here, we're going to restart doing our right heel step, left heel step, walk, walk, stomp, stomp, and you will continue on for the rest of the dance without worrying about anything. The dance does end facing 12 o'clock after your left and right side touches, and I just do a step to the left to end the dance. If you would like to, you can do that as well. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to do 6 walls of the dance so you can practice the transition from the restart into the next wall. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your heels. So it's heel, step, walk, walk, stomp, stomp, side touch, grapevine to the right, side touch, grapevine, quarter turn, scuff, quarter scuff, stomp, hold, heels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, heel step, walk, stomp, side touches, grapevine, side touches, grapevine, quarter turn with a scuff, quarter scuff, stomp, hold, heels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 counts. Heel step, walk, stomp, restart. Heel step, walk, stomp, side touches, grapevine, side touches, grapevine, quarter turn with a scuff. Now your quarter scuff, stomp, hold, and that is the whole dance. So dance around until the end of the song. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo, so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn blue collar boots. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.